In this video, we'll show you a step-by-step on how to find your Instagram Reel drafts. Firstly, make sure that your Instagram application is fully updated to the latest version. You can do that by opening your App Store or your Google Play Store and simply check if the latest version of Instagram is installed. Once you do that, you can open the Instagram application on your device and then swipe to open your camera. Select the Reel option at the bottom, and we will simply record a reel for a second or two because we'll need to save it as a draft. When you record your video, you want to tap on the little X button at the top left of your screen, and then we'll tap on this Save Draft button. And you're probably wondering how you can find this draft. All we have to do in order to find our draft is to tap on the gallery icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, and that's going to open our photo gallery. But we do have a couple of buttons at the top, and you can see the Drafts button at the very top of the screen. If we click on that button, it will open another menu where we can see all of our Reel drafts that we had saved. You can click on the draft if you want to edit it or upload it to Instagram, or you can click on the three dots if you want to duplicate that draft or delete it. And we have a little disclaimer at the bottom that says, if you uninstall your Instagram application, all of the drafts will be lost, so keep that in mind. But that's essentially how you can easily find your Reel drafts on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.